First antonym. Remnant. Remnant means avshesh. Antonym of this word is whole. Means pura. Let's see one example. I want whole share in company. मुझे कंपनी में पूरा हिस्सा चाहिए. Second antonym. Chastise. Chastise means दंड देना. Antonym of this word is forgive. Means माफ करना. Let's see one example. Forgive me for my sin. मुझे मेरे पाप के लिए क्षमा करें. Third antonym. Lunacy. Lunacy means पागलपन. Antonym of this word is sanity. Means स्थिर बुद्धि. Let's see one example. I began to doubt his sanity. मुझे उसकी स्थिर बुद्धि पर संदेह होने लगा. Fourth antonym. Novice. Novice means नौसिखिए. Antonym of this word is ingenious. Means अनुभवी. Let's see one example. She is professional in this work. वो इस काम में पेशेवर है. Fifth antonym. Zenith. Zenith means शीर्ष बिंदु. Antonym of this word is bottom. Means तल. Let's see one example. Best fish swim near the bottom. सबसे अच्छी मछली नीचे के पास तैरती है. Sixth antonym. Fabricate. Fabricate means निर्माण करना. Antonym of this word is dismantle. Means नष्ट करना. Let's see one example. This machine is expensive to fabricate. इस मशीन का निर्माण करना महंगा है. Seventh antonym. Zig-zag. Zig-zag means टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. Antonym of this word is unbent. Means सीधे. Let's see one example. This path is zigzag. यह रास्ता टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है. Let's take a short test. First antonym. What is antonym of remnant? Whole. Dismantle. Forgive. Sanity. Correct answer is whole. Second antonym. What is antonym of chastise? Ingenious. Sanity. Bottom. Forgive. Correct answer is forgive. Third antonym. What is antonym of lunacy? Sanity. Bottom. Whole. Dismantle. Correct answer is sanity. Fourth antonym. What is antonym of novice? Sanity, unbent, ingenious, forgive. Correct answer is ingenious. Fifth antonym. What is antonym of zenith? Unbent, bottom, sanity, dismantle. Correct answer is bottom. Sixth antonym. What is antonym of fabricate? Ingenious, dismantle, whole, forgive. Correct answer is dismantle. Seventh antonym. What is antonym of zig-zag? Ingenious, bottom, unbent, dismantle. Correct answer is unbent. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.